Hey, what is up, everyone? Here's how to go live on Twitch on PC. So first things first, I want you to go ahead and open the software that you're going to be using for this. For example, if you're going to be using OBS, just go ahead and open it. We're going to go ahead and click the file here, click settings, and then we're going to go ahead and hit stream. After doing so, we're going to have to connect our account, so we're going to go ahead and click this one and just basically log into your Twitch account. After doing so, just go ahead and hit login. And then we're going to have to verify this one. All right, there you go. As you can see, we are already logged in. I have already used that one. So we're just going to go ahead and click the server here and then choose the nearest server of yours. If you are not sure, just go ahead and leave it to auto or recommended. After doing so, we're going to go ahead and click this one here to enable bandwidth test mode. And then we're going to go ahead and click this one and basically choose between Twitch chat add-ons. If you don't want to add any, just go ahead and choose none. So yep, that's just basically how it is. Now, this time go ahead and make sure to save those changes. Now we have added this one here. Again, these are the stream information and then our chat box for Twitch, which means that we have already integrated Twitch here in our OBS. So if you don't need them, just go ahead and close them. All right, just like that. All right, and then you can go ahead and click start streaming. So, all right, we're just going to go ahead and continue, and we're going to see this in action. So I'm going to open that one here. Let's see it. All right, there you go, everybody. As you can see, we are now live this time, and that is how you are going to do it. Congratulations, everybody. Now you know how to go live on Twitch using your PC.